Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday and December 16, and today I have a lock from a camping wagon. It is wafer, but it's a funny little one, but it's also easy. Wafers are mostly easy, so let's take this open. And see if we even can get it on the tree, because that can be a fight in itself. Alright, and this goes counterclockwise, if I remember correctly. And we have it open. I'm in your camping wagon. There we go. While we're here, shall we try and SVP it? I just have to find the hook. Get in the back. Oh wait, stay up there. There we go. Open. Easy, easy peasy. So now the fight comes. That was a quick pick, double pick actually, but you know, sorry, the camera just tipped over. So let's see if I can find a way to get something on this. I might actually use some of this. Come on. I guess if I put it through the C-clip and then just lift that up over there, I guess that I can get this hanged up on the tree. While I do this, I will draw the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway in 2 hours from when this video is uploaded. So when you watch this, if you watch it right away, it's 2 hours. But it's in Danish time, it is noon in 2 hours, and that's when I will, that's not when I upload the video of drawing the winner. That is just where I stop counting people in the giveaway. And I upload the video about 1 hour after that. So from then, this video is uploaded, and 2 hours forward from that, that is the last chance for entry to the giveaway. Alright, let's put this on the tree. And I guess we put it over there. Oh, that's a little low. Just a quick second, guys. There we go. Try again. There we go. That's better. 16 locks. 8 more to go. Alright guys, that's all for now. So thanks for watching and see you later.